How quickly will my home sell? How quickly will my home sell is a question we get asked all the time from sellers, and I get it. The market climate is going to determine how quickly your home is going to sell. After being involved in dozens of transactions here in Los Angeles, I get asked that question all the time. Hi, I am Danielle Edney of Danielle Edney Homes and Chase Sky Realty Group. In a hot market where there is limited inventory, meaning there are more buyers than homes to purchase, you can sell your home in a day. However, I highly recommend allowing the home to have proper marketing time so that you can receive the most amount of offers with the very best terms. Anytime someone tells me they sold their home in one day, I always shake my head because I know that means they probably left money on the table. If there are more homes on the market than buyers, then you can expect a little longer for the home to sell. We can discuss timing and how quickly we feel your home will sell when we meet with you. It is really important to look at the absorption rate in determining pricing and timing. Absorption rate is a term most commonly used in the real estate market to evaluate the rate at which available homes are sold in a specific market during a given period. It is calculated by dividing the average number of sales per month by the total number of available homes. According to Investopedia, and I quote, a seller's market would have an absorption rate that equals less than 3 months of inventory, while a buyer's market would have an absorption rate of 6 months or greater. In other words, if we are seeing a home take longer than 90 days to sell, then it's most likely overpriced and we are in a buyer's market. So, depending on whether it's a seller's market or a buyer's market will help determine how quickly your home will sell. My name is Danielle Edney with Your Perfect Home Made in LA. We get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you are thinking of buying or selling in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out as all of our contact information is in the description box below. We would be happy to help you make a smooth transition here in Los Angeles, California. If you like this video, and I hope that you do, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell right now so that you can be the first to know more about moving in and to Los Angeles.